To activate your Wells Fargo credit card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your credit card and card details ready. You will need your card number, expiration date, and security code to complete the activation process. Start by visiting the Wells Fargo website or by calling their customer service number. The phone number is usually found on the back of your credit card or on the Wells Fargo website. If you prefer to activate online, go to the Wells Fargo website and navigate to the credit card activation page. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code as prompted. You may also need to provide your social security number or other identifying information for verification purposes. Once you have entered all the required information, click Submit to activate your card. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the Wells Fargo customer service number. A representative will guide you through the activation process over the phone. You will need to provide the same information as you would online, including your card number and security code. After activating your card, you will receive a confirmation message or email from Wells Fargo. This confirms that your card is now active and ready for use. It is essential to sign the back of your credit card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. As a best practice, make sure to review your credit card terms and conditions, including the interest rate, fees, and rewards program. This will help you understand how to use your card effectively and avoid any potential charges or penalties. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily activate your Wells Fargo credit card and start using it for your purchases.